If you want to make some easy money from the comfort of your own home, you're watching the perfect video. I'm going to be sharing 4 easy jobs that you can do from your sofa. They're very simple to do and you don't need to go through awkward interviews and tedious long application forms. You basically don't need to have any experience or any fancy skills. These jobs also hire pretty fast, much faster than average jobs. However, these aren't your average home jobs. I wouldn't even call these jobs, as they're more like gigs or side hustles or something to do for additional income that can really help you get closer to your financial goals. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get started. The first company that I want to share with you in this video is Gengo. This is a translation company and they hire worldwide translators, and the best thing about Gengo is that they are always hiring. So let's jump into what exactly they're looking for and what qualifications are involved. So what qualifications do you need to translate with Gengo? You don't need any translation qualifications or experience to become a Gengo translator. So if you're in the US and you speak English, you could possibly do this. They're happy to work with anyone who can pass their translation test and consistently translate to their standards. So again, this opportunity does not need you to do interviews and fill out forms. All you basically have to do is take a simple task or assessment to determine your qualifications to be a translator. Gengo is a great option for both established translators and beginners with strong language skills. They expect their translators to be native speakers. Now, is there a minimum age to join as a translator? Well, you have to be 18 years old to join Gengo as a translator. You also have to make sure that the country you live in is eligible. Gengo only accepts certain countries. They have a little map to make it easier for you to determine if you are eligible to work for Gengo, so make sure that you check this out before applying. The next company I want to share with you is Blend, and similar to Gengo, they offer translation positions, but they also offer other freelance types of jobs. This means that you can even do these translation jobs through Blend, and keep in mind, if you have the time to do all of these opportunities with all of these companies, then go ahead and do so. You're not just obligated to work for just one. If you're a freelancer or a contractor, you have that freedom to do so, and that's the best thing about being a contractor or a freelancer. For example, if you're someone who drives for Uber or you do DoorDash and you do all these different apps, you are considered a contractor or freelancer. Blend has lots of positions for freelancers to join, and you can earn up to $40 per hour. You can even control how much money you make. You can take on certain gig offers that pay the most, which is up to $40 per hour. Blend looks for translators, editors, proofreaders, content writers, SEO specialists, voice artists, and so much more. They also have a bunch of amazing new opportunities coming, so definitely check Blend out. Another company that you may want to consider is Omni Interactions. This company has been around for quite a long time and they hire contractors for various roles. Once again, the best thing about using this is that you have the actual freedom to make as much money as you want. You can build your own schedule and pick your own hours. So you can finally say bye-bye to your boring 9 to 5. At Omni, they also have many contracts that you choose from, and you can earn up to $20 per hour. So again, they have multiple contracts and positions that you can do, and you get to work whenever you want. So you have the freedom to do whatever you want. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now, it's super simple to get started. Let's jump to the next opportunity. So the next company is a company called Studypool. This website offers tutoring positions, and you could become an academic tutor by simply answering questions. That is literally all you have to do. You're not doing one-on-one video chats with students, you're just posting answers on their platform for students to search and find. You get paid for questions that you answer 24/7. If you're a student, this will be a great site if you are looking for your questions to be answered if you're studying or you have an exam. All you have to do is post your questions, and experts who are knowledgeable in a specific area will answer your questions. If you have knowledge in any of these areas, humanities, math, programming, science, writing, you can become a tutor and answer these questions. You just click on where it says become a tutor, and you can earn up to $100 monthly by working from home and tutoring students by answering their questions online. There's no phone, you don't have to video chat or video call. Just answer some questions on Studypool. The more detailed the answer, the higher you get paid. You can go to the website to learn more about the opportunities they have for you. They also only take a small percentage of your income because they obviously need to continue running their platform platform. But other than that, it's really easy to start up and you get full freedom and flexibility. All right, so those are the 4 companies that I wanted to share with you today in this video. I hope that this helped you, and there are so many super easy opportunities out there for you to join. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you found this video useful, be sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you next time.